What is vitamin D and why is it important?
Vitamin D is an essential nutrient that helps your body absorb calcium, supporting strong bones and teeth. It also plays a key role in immune function, mood regulation, and muscle strength. Most vitamin D is made in the skin through sunlight, but it's also found in some foods. Without enough, your health can be affected in many ways.
Common signs of vitamin D deficiency.
Symptoms of vitamin D deficiency can be subtle. You might feel tired, experience frequent infections, or have bone and back pain. Some people notice muscle weakness or mood changes such as sadness or irritability. Slow wound healing and even hair loss can also be signs. If these symptoms persist, low vitamin D may be a contributing factor.
Who is most at risk?
Certain groups are more likely to be low in vitamin D. People with limited sun exposure, darker skin, or those who use sunscreen often may be at risk. Older adults, individuals with digestive disorders, and people who are overweight may also have trouble maintaining healthy levels. Knowing your risk can help you take the right steps.
How to boost your vitamin D levels.
You can raise vitamin D levels by spending short periods in sunlight, especially on your arms and face. Foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products can help too. Supplements are a safe and effective option for many people, but it's best to check with a healthcare provider before starting them.
When to see a healthcare professional.
If you have ongoing symptoms or belong to a higher risk group, consider asking your doctor about a vitamin D blood test. They can guide you on safe supplementation and monitor your progress. Taking steps to restore healthy vitamin D levels can improve overall health, energy, and well-being.